Right, what is going on, y'all? Check me out here. And I am currently in Maui at the Qualcomm Snapdragon Summit, taking in the beautiful sights and sound, and also enjoying the announcements in which Qualcomm is making. But I will say the one that I want to focus on in my video in particular is their announcements around their mobile gaming experience. But before I do that, I do want to first say big thank you to Qualcomm for not only supporting the channel, but also for sponsoring this video. Platform. It levels up mobile gaming with new Snapdragon Elite gaming features. And it does this with three main pillars of things that we can expect to see, which is faster performance and power savings, hardware accelerate ray tracing, and support for Unreal Engine 5. What does all this really mean for you? How does this translate to your experience that you'll have? So I already did some legwork here for you all to get that answer. Demoed a few games and checked out a few hands-on experiences in which they had. So yeah, I did enjoy a couple of games, but the real kicker that shocked me was seeing ray tracing. So this brings more realistic lighting, shadows, and illumination to the game, much like we see in real life and probably don't even fully pay attention to until we see it in a game like this, because it makes the game look that much more realistic. Like, check out the reflections alone in the water and off of surfaces. This is like desktop level performance on a phone. Now, when it comes to gaming performance, it's now 25% faster than the previous generation and also 25% faster with graphics performance. So this is going to help not only with the gameplay, but load times in other areas as well. And we can give thanks to the Qualcomm Adreno Next Gen GPU for these things, as it does also increase the efficiency by 25%. So 25% better in all the areas here. And if you can't tell, yes, gameplay was smooth and it didn't stutter or lag, which is key because sometimes in moments like that, it detaches us from the game. But thankfully that didn't happen here. I didn't find myself impatiently waiting for something to either load or correct itself. And it's because of these improvements, I was able to get more immersed, almost too immersed, and locked into my gaming session. And lastly, there's support for Unreal Engine 5 and MetaHuman framework, which in essence is going to give us more realistic human characters. So if you thought they already looked real up here, this is just going to take it a step further. So you'll notice things like skin tones are more realistic, along with facial features and skin complexions, and even textures will be better represented. Like, the advancements here are making something like gaming from my phone really rival and compete heavy with that found on your console gaming. So I like the fact that I can still get a top tier experience on the go. And in essence, I don't have to sacrifice, you know, performance for, let's say, convenience and mobility. That's the word right there. All right, y'all, that is it for this video, but I am curious to know, what is your favorite or one of your favorite games right now on your phone? Let me know down below in the comment section, because I want some new titles to check out, and who better to ask than y'all? Feel free to follow me on IG if you want to stay further updated on when I'm releasing some more content. That's at TechMeOut, TechMeOut. That'll also be linked below. And until the next one, y'all, as always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.